Hi. Let's solve this puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the river, 6 animals are standing. 3 orange dogs and 3 black cats. The task is to transfer all of them to the other side of the river on that wooden raft. But there are some rules. Rule number 1 says that the raft can carry 2 animals, and all of the animals can row. The rule number 2 says that the medium animals of each kind, the slightly different colored ones, cannot be left alone with either of the other animals of their kind on the riverbank or on the raft. Rule number 3 says that the big animal of each kind will not fight with the small animal. And the final rule says that, if ever there are more dogs than cats together on the bank, the dogs will fight with the cats. Okay. Now let's solve the puzzle. First, the medium dog and the medium cat will go to the other side. The cat will come back. The small and the big dog will go together. Middle dog will come back alone. Now, the small and the big cat will go together. Both the small ones will come back. The middle-sized ones will go there together. Now, both the big ones will come back. Then, both the cats will go there. Now all the cats are on the other side. The dog will come back. The big and small dogs will go there together. Now, the middle-sized cat will come back alone. And finally, both the middle-sized animals will travel together. And bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.